The world of welding solutions. A film by Böhler Welding. Pipelines are the energy veins of our times. They transport oil, gas and water through thousands of kilometers of pipelines across many continents. Its innovative products have long made Böhler Welding the market leader in this field. In order to prevent metallurgical discontinuities, and depending upon the pipe material grade selected, the pipe joint ends are preheated up to 150 degrees Celsius. Both pipe sections are aligned with an internal hydraulic clamp. The correct root gap is prepared in order to ensure proper root penetration. A great challenge for both man and material. The roots lead through difficult territory and extreme climatic conditions. It's here of all places that the welded joints have to be durable and safe. To protect against wind, rain and snow, the welding site is equipped with a tent. The pipe ends are preheated in accordance with the pipe grade and welding procedure specification. Böhler Fox cell is used for root passes. More than 100,000 kilometers of pipeline have been laid worldwide using Böhler Welding consumables. In order to achieve sound weld metal, the root pass needs to be ground.
Depending on the base material, Böhler Foxcell 75, 85 or 90 is used for hot pass, filler and cap layers.
Böhler Welding, your partner in welding. The Böhler Welding expert gives the weld a visual inspection for defects before X-ray or ultrasonic check. Tie-in welding is performed mainly by the dolly mix technique, which means that the root is welded in the vertical up position. It's wonderful when once the work has been completed, the countryside can again return to its natural beauty.